I'm going to show you today how to make a fabulous split pea soup. Now that we have our mirepoix cooking, we have our carrot, celery, onion, garlic. It's all been browned nicely. We're going to add our stock. Remember, you can add water, you can add vegetable stock or chicken stock. I wouldn't recommend a beef stock for this recipe. So I have my stock. I actually had made stock cubes, and I just put the stock cubes in a pan and heated them up to melt. I have about a little over a quart of liquid here. I'm going to pour it in slowly. And if it's not enough, you can add more stock later. You want to see how much stock you have to your peas. Now let's say I only had a certain amount of stock. I only had that much stock on hand. What do? I need more liquid. You can add water. You can just make this with water. You don't need to have the stock, but it adds a depth of flavor to this soup.